So nichrome, as we have discussed, nichrome it is a combination of nickel, chromium, and iron. Sometimes iron is also used, but mostly commonly nickel and chromium combination is called as nichrome because word only implies you nickel, and chrome means chromium. So nickel chromium alloy is nichrome, and it is popular material where you can find out nichrome wire in your home also. Okay, so it is basically known for heat resistance because I told you you have to remember peculiar properties of some materials. Constant and manganium, it is having low temperature coefficient of resistance, and then change in resistance with change in temperature is very less. So they are finding applications in the making resistance wires, resistance box, so that length of resistance will be less because resistance is also high. Now, when you are considering nichrome, the peculiar property is that resistance to corrosion and oxidation is good because when nichrome is heated, it forms a certain layer on its surface, and that layer will also prevent further oxidation. So it is basically suited for heat resistance, both as they are resistance to the both corrosion and oxidation. So the alloy is incredibly useful for number of applications from industry to your hobby work, for your project works, for some funny works, some crafts purpose, commercial products and tools also. So it is also finding applications in specialized settings, nichrome. So you have heard it. General percentage of composition is 60% nickel and 40% chromium. But you can find out certain variations in the compositions. So nichrome is resistance to heat and corrosion in water. When heated, it forms a thin layer of chromium oxide. I told you, and when this thin layer is formed, then it will prevent further oxidation. So you can say nichrome is immune to the immunity of nichrome to the oxidation is very good. So nichrome is highly resistant, causing it heat up when exposed to a small electric current. What is the property of nichrome? When a small current is passed through the nichrome, heat will be produced. So they will get heated up, and due to that heat you can find out applications in your heaters, geysers, in your iron, because you just pass small current to the wire, you will get large amount of heat. Okay, and that heat conductivity will be good. These traits give nichrome wire a wide variety of uses across industries. So in industries also, you can find out a lot of applications of nichrome wire. So how nichrome wire will look like? I am showing you the material. Constant and Eureka also I have shown you. Copper you can identify. Constant or Eureka you can find out. Okay, nichrome wire. Manganese wire also is similar to this nichrome wire. But if you see the sheets of nichrome wire, this will be look like the sheets. And you might have observed this coil, heating coil. So this is a coil, okay, of nichrome wire. So you can identify the material also. So let us watch this about nichrome wire. Because if you will see this certain. See, certain small children is also making videos. So his name is Sagar, and now he is showing about the nichrome. Already I told you nichrome you are finding in the domestic applications, in your projects, in your some craft work. So small children is explaining you just why. My purpose is that to motivate you. You can also think of making your videos. You have done many project. You are presenting your paper. That also you can make video, and you can start your YouTube. So now he is telling about how nichrome wire can be found out from soldering iron. Just see how is dismantling soldering iron to get the nichrome wire. So if you want nichrome wire, where you will find out it? You just see the scrap soldering gun, dismantle it, and you can just see inside that. Okay. So we have discussed materials for soldering and flux. At that time, I have shown you soldering gun. So when you are just hitting soldering gun, your flux gets melted due to heat produced. And for that production of heat from the soldering gun, nichrome wire is used in the soldering gun. Okay. See the nichrome wire just like a flat sheet. Now see, he is informing about the uses of nichrome wire. So how many videos you can make your own? So he is showing you the cutter using that nichrome wire. Okay. So that is not our purpose. Just I wanted to show you how the nichrome wire will be used in heating devices. Okay. You can find out for the heating applications nichrome is used. Okay. So let us see what are the properties of nichrome. So 75, 78 nickel. Now see variations. Already I told you lot of variations will be there. So here 75 to 78 is nickel and 20 to 30 is chromium and this is manganese and remainder is iron. So here manganese is also used 1.5%. Depending upon applications, you can change it. Okay. So properties of nichrome is specific weight is 8.4 to 8.5 gram per centimeter cube. Resistivity is 1 to 1.1 ohm mm square per meter. Temperature resistance coefficient is 10 to 20 into 10 raised to minus 5 for degree Celsius. Maximum working temperature is 1100. Tensile strength is 65 to 70 kg per mm square and ultimate elongation is 25 to 30%. I have told you of Constantin also in last session. So I have given you the assignment also and that so I told you that to make a assignment in comparison form and submit that assignment on next Tuesday. Okay, I will upload today assignment folder. You are not submitting assignment. So assignment number two also submit, which is in a comparison form of resistive materials, resistance material, insulating materials, and now this is conducting materials. Today I will create assignment and last date also. So complete that assignment. So its resistivity is high and then temperature coefficient of resistance is low. Withstand high temperature, it withstands high temperature for longer time without melting. That's why it is used in heating elements. So main peculiar properties of nichrome, why it is used in heating appliances is high melting point and also it will withstand high temperature without melting. It is silvery white in appearance. I have shown you it has good ductile. Ductile means it can be drawn into wires, mechanical and thermal properties. An application, a popular application of nichrome is it is used in electric irons. So in your home, you can find out tabular heating elements, furnaces, and heating elements in the heaters. Okay. So then in Thursday's lecture, we will see tungsten. Okay. So